Bit quirky, this one, animal healthcare sector. So a slightly different sector, but a similar kind of footprint of deal for us, a client with a strong asset base, wanting to refinance their existing asset, bring some cash out of that to effectively invest into the business. Business was with a high street bank. There were some challenges on the property title because the land in question, or the asset in question, was actually on what was meant to be the proposed HS2 line coming up out of London. So the bank in question got really nervous and carried away with details of the HS2 project, which of course has been cancelled, and unless cancelled under the previous government. So unless Rachel Reeves and Sakira are bringing that one back, then the chances of that happening are pretty much close to zero. So at Reward, we went beyond kind of just looking at what was on the title deeds. We sought some specific legal advice, understand what the pros and cons were around lending more money in with these restrictions on the title, got comfortable with that, understood the risk, made sure the client understood the risks, and then effectively we took the bank out, put a first charge in place on the asset, and released an additional 350,000 working capital into the business, so that effectively the client could continue to develop their business in the animal healthcare sector. So again, just going a bit beyond, seeing risk differently, thinking about it a bit more, not computer says no, just going that stage further to try and find a solution for the client, and it's another great example of a Reward deal.